Hello, my lovelies. I'm gonna be showing you another wish spell today. Well, not so much a wish spell as a wish chant. So this chant is really easy. It just takes a few seconds, and you do it daily while imagining the object or item you want, or having a picture of the object or item you want as you say it. You can do this before going to bed, when you wake up, just any way you can fit it into your schedule. So as per usual, I've cleansed my space, this time with frankincense. And yes, my wish spell is going to be about my project I'm working on. It's a story, and I'm having a lot of fun with it, but I want to make sure that I have the willpower to get through it because writing is a lot of work. So here we go. So, like I said, you need to be envisioning what you need or what you want, and you say this spell: powers within, powers without, grant me a wish, for I've gone too long without. Powers throughout, powers in me, grant me this wish, so mote it be. You say it 3 times. Powers within, powers throughout, grant me a wish, for I have gone too long without. Powers throughout, powers in me, grant me this wish, so mote it be. Powers within, powers throughout, grant me this wish, for I have gone too long without. Powers throughout, powers in me, grant me this wish, so mote it be. It's a very simplistic spell. You'll notice that it goes powers within, powers throughout. This is representing magic or gods or whatever you believe magic comes from. Grant me a wish. Asking for any wish, just a wish, for I have gone too long without. This means something that you've wanted, something that you've needed, and you've been lacking. Powers throughout, powers in me, reversed. Grant me this wish, so mote it be. What that part says is, please give me what I want, I will continue to work towards it, but please give me that helping hand. So, yeah, it's a really good spell, really easy to do every day before bed, or every day when you wake up real quick. Just clear your head, think about what you want, say it, and then go on with your day. And yeah, I hope that helps you. Bye!